How to change return method on Amazon. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. For this, just go ahead and search for Amazon.com. You'll be redirected to the official website of your Amazon. Make sure that you are logged in into your Amazon account. While you are in your website, at the top, you will find the option of orders and returns. You can also check out from account and list, but it is much more easier to just go ahead and select from returns and orders. When you tap on it, you will see the cancelled order right over here. Check out your cancelled order. To change your return method on your Amazon, you actually have to restart from the beginning. This means that there is no current way of directly changing the return method for an existing return request. So all you have to do is cancel the current return. Then once you cancel the current return, again repeat the same process of requesting a return of the item. That will include selecting a reason, then select the refund method that you prefer currently. By that way, you'll be able to change your return method on Amazon. That's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.